guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually not a hair review video. I'm actually gonna do a review video on this hair because I personally love it. I love this hair, and I just want to share with you guys why I love this hair so much. Like, it's so versatile. Like, I just love it so much. But like I said, it's not a review video. This is actually an installation video. So I did this video just so I can show you guys how I install my wigs. This is actually my third wig that I've ever installed in my hair. This is crazy. This is my first time ever doing it on video, so I'm sorry if the video is going to be like a little bit sketchy, not sketchy, like a little bit iffy here and there, some like things that I could fix. But like I said, this is my first time doing it on camera, so don't hold it against me, guys. Please don't hold it against me. And I feel like I could have done better, but you know, we all progress as time goes by. But with that being said, I hope that this video is helpful to some of you guys. If it's not, let me know what I could do better in the comment section, guys. And if you like my channel, you like me, make sure that you subscribe to my channel by clicking the big red button at the bottom, and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if it was helpful for you guys. And I will have the exact link to where I got this hair in the description box at the bottom. So like I said, guys, enjoy, and make sure that you stay tuned for the entire video so you guys can see how I install my hair. It's quick and easy, simple. It's not really that difficult like I thought it was going to be when I first started doing it. I taught myself, honestly, but everything's better when you go hands-on. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I decided to talk you guys through this last part because it's kind of like annoying, and I hate voiceovers, but the first part wasn't like major, like something you guys have never seen before. So just like whatever, I can just like do like a little tiny demo. But I'm just gonna talk you guys through this last part. Now, I typically, with this wig, I normally do like a middle part. so it's already parted in the middle. Now the reason why I like extended this part, like the gel and these ends, is because the way I kind of cut it a little bit too deep, because I wanted the wig to look as natural as possible. Now, in case you guys don't know, the reason why I'm facing this way is because the mirror is right in front of me. So there's that. Now what you want to do, if you don't have experience, you can pin the sides. I have like these 2 hairpins that I normally like put on these sides, but I'm not gonna do it for this video because I don't want to feel like looking for them right now. But typically, depending on like how your gel feels, it should be like really sticky, if I should say. And then I just move it slowly forward. And then you want to take the end of the comb again. Now you want to take the end of the comb, just as you are adjusting the wig. Don't use your fingers, guys, unless you know exactly what you are doing. You just want to do it slowly, like just slowly press down on the hair. And I apologize for my lighting. Somebody stole my ring light. Not literally stole it, but somebody took my ring light. I shall not be naming names, but it's all right. It's all good. I hope you guys can see this. Okay. Now, like I said, I'm just slowly adjusting it to where I put the glue. You even like will want to hold it depending on how like dry your glue is. Mine is still a little bit wet, so I'm probably gonna have to wrap it. But this is what it looks like. It's starting to look like. And I just recently washed this wig, that's why it looks so puffy. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do this side as well. This is my first installation video, guys, so do not hold that against me. I'm trying. I'll make a better one for you guys in the near future, but I'm just working with what I can work with right now. And just remember, there's nothing wrong with messing up. Like, you can always go back and fix it. I need to add more glue. I'm just putting just a little bit on the end of the comb and putting it in the areas that are opened up. Now I'm gonna wrap it and then I'll be back to do the rest with you guys. All right, so I did do my edges off camera because I'm still getting used to doing my edges, kind of new to me. But for my edges, I used the Got2b glue. This is the Ultra Glue Invisible Styling Gel. The reason why I used it is because obviously it has like a stronger hold and it's invisible. It's not like the white gel, which kind of leaves like a little bit of a white stain-ish a little bit. Personally, just for me, I prefer the clear glue. But on that, like I said, that's what I used for my edges, and they're still drying, but they're kind of hard now. But this hair kind of gives off like an invisible illusion. So when my hair fully dries, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I am talking about. Like this end is still not dry because like I said, I cut it so far out. It's like way far out of my edges. Like it's too far out. I'm talking about my natural edges. But yeah. So this is the hair. So give me like a couple minutes, hours, because I'm not using a blow dryer at the moment. So just give me like an hour or so and I'll be back to show you guys what the hair looks like when I'm